Hey everybody, my name is Kalle Slaap, watchmaker from the Netherlands, and a question we got from one of our members. How did they work so accurate all those centuries ago? Spoiler alert, they didn't. But they were so clever in constructing a timepiece that they didn't have to be that accurate. And that's what I would like to show you, because it is genius again in watchmaking. They've got a beautiful tool, and that is a depthening tool. And I've got one over here. Engrenagepasser in Dutch. Simply those pins here, those are the spiky tips. Here is hollow on those sides. So the pivots are in between those two. And here, running smoothly. With this wheel you can change the depth of the teeth, and it's audible when they run so smoothly and the depthening is perfect. They sing, they are married, mariage. So if the depthening is perfect, I will show you under my microscope what I'm talking about. Here they are. That is the camera, and you're watching with me through my microscope. There we are. And this is the depthening of the pinion and the wheel. It has to be perfect. And now we can, running smooth. I think it could be a bit more inwards. There is inwards and that is out. Do you see? You can change the depth. Well, once that is perfect and you can hear it, it's audible, then you know the perfect distance between the two pivots, like there and there. Then simply you can scratch a line where the next pivot should be. And that's what I love about the old horology. It is so personal. Here you can see where the next pivot is going to be, and you can make a cross section every single time. Usually those lines are milled out or sanded out, but this was underneath the dial, so they left it in place, and I love that. So makes it so much more personal. So the wheels are mass produced, cottage industry, different size every single time, just slightly, but still. And if you make it like this, you can compensate the change in quality control in size. So you are making the main plate fit to the parts in the artisanal way. And now in modern watchmaking we are making the parts, of course, every single part exactly the same size. That's why we bought yesterday a huge profile projector just for quality control, and that's why it's a bit of a mess, because it is going to be there. In the artisanal way, you are making the main plate fit the parts instead of the other way around. That is so clever. That's why nothing is interchangeable from old timepieces, but that's why they were able to be accurate without being accurate. In the old way of making watches, you were comparing the size, not measuring. I don't care about the measurement, but you are comparing, is that the same as the other or the other, without knowing the exact right size. That's what I love about the old watchmaking way. And even then they were making so incredible intricate but beautiful pieces of art. So being accurate without being accurate, but just being clever. I just wanted to share that with you. Enjoy your evening. Thank you so much. My name is Kalle Slaap, watchmaker of the Netherlands. And if you're into watchmaking, please have a look at our YouTube channel, Chronoglide. Hope to see you soon. See ya. Bye-bye.